Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be installing a pink unit. I'll put all the products that I use in this video in the description. So if you're interested in this video, keep watching. So this is the wig that I'll be installing. I got it in baby pink, I believe, and I got it from my local beauty supply store. It is synthetic. It's supposed to be a bob. It's like shoulder length, maybe a little bit longer than shoulder length, but it's perfect. It's beautiful. Obviously it came with baby ear. You don't have to do no bleach, no not, because it's synthetic. So first I'm gonna go ahead by doing a ball cap method, just because I don't know how long I want this to stay on my head, but I just know I want it to last a little while. So I'm gonna do a ball cap method, and you already know you cut out the ears first. If some people do the cutting out the part of by the eye area, but I just decided to cut out the ears only. So now I'm gonna take my Tresemme Olden spray. This is the bomb, y'all. Normally I use Gotta Be Olden spray, but then I found out about this one. This is really good. And then I had my blow dryer on warm to blow dry everything. This spray works magic. So now I'll be taking my Kiss cream foundation. I'll leave that in the description because a lot of people already asked me about that. And I'm doing it all over the ball cap. Now I'm mixing the shades together because it came with a lighter shade of brown and a darker shade. Just to get the right color and the tint, I mixed the shades. So as you can see, I'm cutting it. I hate cutting with the scissors. That's why I'm looking like that, because it don't really get close to your scalp like you want it to, but it gets the job done, and that's all I wanted. So now I'll be taking my Erica J Hold Me Down in E-Sieve. This is the bomb, y'all. I'm telling y'all, I put this on. Out of all the hair glue I ever used in my life, this is the best. It dries very fast, and it dries clear very fast, for real. And it actually lasts a long time. I'm telling y'all, you could sweat and stuff, and this stuff was not left in. Like, when I installed this, it took me a little while to take it off, because I'm like, damn, like most of the time it'd be an easy run through. Like, you put like rubbing alcohol, or you put some oil, let it sit there, and then it'd be easy. But no, y'all, no. But it's really good. It's really good. So now I'm spraying my Tresemme spray just to give it an extra little bit hold. You know, I didn't know how it was gonna hold it down, but when I tell y'all don't need no spray after this, but I just did it because I'm used to spraying afterwards. But you really don't need to spray anything, but I just did it because I didn't know how this was my first time using the Erica J, Hold Me Down. So I didn't know how it was gonna hold, so I tried to spray Tresemme spray. So now I'm taking this the Erica J band. Also, I purchased this video is not sponsored, but I must say, like, it's really good. It helped. It did the job. Like, no cap, like, it did. So I'm just tying everything down, just trying to make sure like everything is in place. And you know, this is my first time. Normally I'll be tying the back, but it comes with like the elastic band come with like something like it's just easier to rest on it, so that makes it easier for me to take it off and on. And then I'm just like blow drying, like I say, because I wanted to make sure everything is dry by the time I get ready to cut it off. Like I said, I don't like using the scissors, but for this part I would. But then I realized I need to use a razor, because to get really close to the scalp like I wanted to, so that's why I end up using my razor. But a razor is better. Just don't cut yourself, because I feel like I was so awkward when I was doing this. So that's why you might see me just taking my time, because one thing you don't want to do is cut yourself with a razor or scissors, or pinch yourself with the scissors on your face or close to your temple. So be very careful when you're doing this, especially if you're a beginner. Like, I'm not a beginner, and I try to be very careful. So now I'm just taking the same cream foundation, and I put it on the edge to blend it into my scalp, so you can't see the lace. Because then I didn't get to bleach this unit because you can't bleach it, like it's synthetic. Then I think to myself, the camera made me think like, hey, this is so white, like you can't really see. So I didn't like it. So I went back in and I actually take the foundation and I was putting it on the hair. Y'all gonna see. But it turned out great. Would I do it again? Because no. But it turned out great for me. So y'all will see that part. I'm just trying to make sure everything is intact. Like combing it, the hair is very soft, no knots, nothing. I give it to this company. It looks a little realistic, but you can still tell it's synthetic. I feel like it was giving me Party City wig. This is my first time trying a color, and I decided to go with pink, like pink, because all the other colors I feel like was really too dark for my skin complexion. Next time I'll try a darker color or something out of my comfort zone. So now I decided that I want baby ears on the side. Not really. With color hair, I don't like doing baby ears because it look a little bit tacky. You know what I mean? So I try not to. So, but the sides I did, and like in the front, I did a little bit of something. This is the part where I took my foundation and put it on the hair, and I was like, oh, it looked like something in the front though. So let me put it all over. And then I told myself, like, damn, I just maybe was overdoing it because I could have left there, like maybe like right there. But then something just tell me, keep going, keep going, keep going. Listen, when your mind just tells you keep going, don't do it. But it turned out cute. You know, I liked it. This how it turned out. I love it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.